All right. What's up? What's up? What's up? On the helmet we have the DJI Action 5 Pro. On the bike, right in front of me, we have the DJI Osmo 360. We have the DJI Mic Mini inside of my helmet. And it had to start raining now only. Like, you know, just now. It just had to start raining now. Anyway, let's check it out. Let's see how things go in terms of recording. In terms of recording on the bike in the rain, because both these cameras are IP67. That's water resistant. Oh my god, I think it's gonna start raining a bit on the heavier side. I just hope not. How is a public bus entering into this small gully? Is there a bus stop inside our society? I mean, not that I know of. And I'm late to work. Again. I mean, come on. Whoa, don't stop in the middle of the road, dude. Wet patches. I hate wet patches. These water patches. They screw up all of your jeans and your shoes, especially when you're on a bike, because the muck sucks. Beautiful weather, loving the weather. Maharashtra just comes alive in the rains. My god, so amazing. I mean, we've been waiting for the rains for quite some time this year. And 2 weeks ago, was it 2 weeks ago or was it last week? I think it was, yeah, in fact 2 weeks ago, I think on Wednesday 2 weeks ago, it started raining. Oh, it started raining and never stopped. Continuously for about 4 days it rained. All of the roads were messed up completely. It was a bit on the dangerous side to actually ride or drive on the road, for that matter. I just hope the lens is not wet, or rather, lens is not into screens. Beautiful, beautiful weather, man. Look at this, look at this. It's green everywhere. Look at the greenery. And I can't wait for next week. Leaves are coming up. We're planning Tamini Ghat. I hope God, I hope it's open. Obviously we'll have to check whether it's open or not before going. And if not Tamini Ghat, then I know someplace else. But definitely in the mountains is something that we're going to be doing. So cool. So cool. Whoa, rumble. Rumbler. That's what it's called, rumblers. Some more rumblers. Give me away, guys. Coming through. Whoa, dude, these guys come out of the side roads like as if they expect the guy on the main road to stop. I mean, how can that be possible? Especially when we have the riders riding their machines the way they ride. Okay, sun's up just a bit, peeking through the clouds. Okay, I think it's not peeking anymore, it's out completely. Whoa, dude, I mean, like, how? Why? Okay, I gotta go right. A very busy show. When it's busy, it's busy. When it's not busy, it's fairly decent. Okay, keep it away. Keep it coming? Okay, great. Alright, so here we go. There's another dude. Anyway, so we're testing the DJI products here on the bike. This is not a sponsored video. Everything has been purchased by myself. I wanted a good motor vlogging setup. After a lot of research and a lot of contemplation, I went for this particular setup. Really very impressed with the DJI Osmo 360. I mean, the things that thing can do, 360 cameras in general, is simply amazing. Simply amazing. I mean, the footage that you can get, the stories that you can tell, pretty awesome. So the Mic Mini is basically connected to the Action 5 Pro that is mounted on my helmet through obviously the DJI ecosystem, which I'm guessing is through Bluetooth. Let's see, I think I'll use the other mic because I've got the entire kit of the Mic Mini, 2 microphones, 1 transmitter, or rather, is it 2 transmitters and 1 receiver? But I guess you know what I mean. The next time, what I'll do is I'll probably put one of the other microphones inside the back seat. What am I saying, back seat? Underneath the seat, so that maybe capture some audio from the sound of the exhaust. Or maybe I just mount it somewhere just outside the bike, just next to the exhaust. I don't know, let's see. A lot of trial and error that needs to be done. Wet patch again, which I really don't like, but this is okay. That's what I do. So that's what I do whenever wet patch comes. The legs go up like that onto the leg guard, just so that the water doesn't spill from the front wheel, or the splash from the front wheel. Love this road, amazing. I think this is the best road that one can take if you want to avoid the highway, which has a lot of rush and a lot of traffic. But yeah, I hope the audio is coming out fine. Maybe on another vlog I'll show you how I've mounted the Action 5 Pro on my helmet, because I wasn't really getting a good mount to mount it in the center, as in where the glue sticks in the center, because the helmet's got a sharp edge. I know I was looking at some of the websites, like some of these mount websites, but I really couldn't find one for my particular helmet. Look at these roads, man. I mean, this road's good, no doubt, but there are patches. Where, due to the rains, It's really messed up the road. And you have speed breakers everywhere. I mean, not everywhere, but in places where you don't expect, because there's no markings anywhere. A person who comes on this road for the first time will definitely miss all of the speed breakers. That's obviously unless they don't ride like me. Yeah. Look at this greenery, man. Amazing. And hey, dude, I mean, like, can't you see that I'm on the road? And there you go. Oh man, look at this road. It's messed up right in the middle. Here's one ditch, there's another ditch, and there's another ditch here. Oh my god. God save the people that miss these ditches, man. The things that these ditches do to cars, tires, rims, the suspension, not good. Anyway, it is what it is. Oh, check it out. B6, radical design. I like it. It's nice. I like the design. Not sure about the tech though. A lot of mixed reviews from everyone, but I think mostly nice. Whoa, oops. Yep, I saw you. Oh, look at that. There's another nice XCV9S, brand new car. Wow, hello, nice. Mahindra's like killed it with the design, man. Seriously, I mean, these guys have literally taken a risk and a bold step in the design, especially the V6. I mean, what is that? It's crazy. Everybody wants, I also want. But as of now, we are happy with what we have. Yep. Coming through. The line turn again. Yeah, so really excited about these DJI products here. I mean, I never thought I'd own so many of these so soon. But yeah, lovely to experiment. I remember I had, I still have. I bought my first action camera, which was the Xiaomi Yi 4K. I'm not sure if you guys know about the Yi 4K, YI, and then 4K. It's a tiny little thing, but no D-log, or rather no log, no nothing at that time. I think it was about 10 odd years ago. And look at the action camera market now. I mean, who would have expected that in 10 years there'd be so much of a change? Killer. Thanks to GoPro. And those are the guys that set the pace for everyone to follow. If they hadn't done it, I'm not sure if anyone would have. But anyway, good. It's good now. The kind of footage that you get in these cameras is simply amazing. 7XO, beautiful. I really like the new 7XO as compared to the XUV 700. I mean, there's a very good friend of mine who has the XTB 700. I mean, when it came, it was good, it looked nice, but then I prefer the looks of this one more to the other one. The way the lights, etc. have been designed. Pretty good, very clean. Somehow the DRL of the old XTB 700 is something that I just think was too much. Too much for the front end. Hello. Thank you. And what is this thing about this ethanol fuel, guys? I don't know. Pretty scary stuff, the things that you hear on the internet. Gotta get in touch with my bike mechanic. Ask him whether he's received any complaints from KTM owners. Mixed reviews on the internet. Petrol prices are still where they are. Not sure what's happening with that. Guess we'll have to just wait and watch. Ooh, Swift ZXi. And this thing had come out, man. It's nothing like it. Captured the market like anything. Because of VXi, the ZXi, I mean this specific model actually. Beautiful. Let me through. Whoa! Somehow I like the way the traffic flows in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, you don't have, at least from what I've seen, if anyone's coming from the side road onto the main road, first of all, you can't just come into the main road from a side road like that. Like, there's a proper divider system that they've created just so that the person on the main road doesn't get a start like how I just did. You gotta go right. One other thing that I like about the traffic, rather the road organization in Hyderabad, is that if you come from the side road onto the main road, you do not have an immediate cut in the divider. Like supposing if you want to move from this road onto the next road and you're coming in from the side road, you have to basically go all the way at least 200 meters ahead and then take that U-turn. That's really good. Really stops the unwanted traffic that can get created just because of a person coming in from the side road and wants to take an immediate U-turn in the middle of the divider. See, like this, you don't have this. There will definitely be a signal. If this was a situation in Hyderabad, there'd definitely be a signal on this particular crossing. But yeah, it is what it is.